to work. Really not ready for today. I'm really not. I really can't. Can't wait till I get a job to the point where I can stay at home with my kids. That's what I'm working towards. So we're gonna complete that before the end of the year. Just like, comment, and subscribe. Because I did notice that there was a lot of non-subscribers watching my videos. So make sure you guys subscribe right now. I'm gonna wait.
Hurry up and subscribe. I'm waiting. I said I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. All right.
Okay, you done subscribing? All right. Seriously. Get me to 1K before the end of this year. 1K, 1K. So I'm so blessed to have the mom that I have, because she lets me drive her car and stuff like that. Like, what mom you know let you drive her Benz? Hey guys, so I just made it here. I went to Starbucks and I got a coffee. I think I'm addicted to these. I'm gonna be honest. It's the caramel ribbon crunch. Is so freaking good. Oh, I think I'm literally addicted to them. Oh my gosh. I get these like every day, even when I'm not going to work. I need to stop. That's like, what, $5 for one? Well, let's say 12. Yeah, that shit adds up. That shit adds up. I'm paying about $6 for a meal at my job. With the 50% off is $6. So 6 plus 6 is 12 a day. No, that needs to stop. So I'm gonna try to get these caramel ribbon crunches about like every other day. I probably just do it every other day because yeah, I don't. It's just so addicting. Like, I think they literally put crack in Starbucks coffee, so you keep coming back. I have another job interview tomorrow. I really don't want to work 2 jobs because I love spending time with my kids, but I think I'm gonna just do it for, you know, a month or 2 and then let that shit go, because waitressing is a hard job. It takes a lot of energy out of you. When I was doing it before, it was before I had the baby. So with Troy, it was easier. With my son, why do I have one earring in? Oh my god, I don't know how this mess. I've had one earring in the whole time. Yeah, so it was easier waitressing with my son because he was older, and when I got home he would sleep. I got to sleep. When, you know, now I have a baby I have to attend to, and I'm still breastfeeding. Yeah, I don't know how this 2 job shit is gonna go, but I hope you guys have a blessed day. This shit is so good. Yo, y'all have to go to Starbucks and try the caramel ribbon crunch. It is so freaking good. The crunch that they put at the top of the whipped cream is like caramel pieces. So I'm on break right now. I'm vlogging. Say hey. Zaxbys. What I got? Let me show you what I got. I could do like a little mukbang. Okay. I got some wings, some tenders, some fries. get fat. So these are supposed to be like mozzarella sticks, I guess. Let's see. We got 30 minutes, so if I'm going fast, it's because oh my god, this is so good. I'm gonna save some for my kid. I think he's gonna like this. He's definitely gonna. I'm gonna say that. My beverage is holding my phone, so. I'm doing a mukbang.
What's up, vlog?
These wings is hot. Starving. Y'all know I didn't eat breakfast. I'm gonna save the tenders for my son. Yo, this is too much. They've been watching my lips for the past 11 minutes.
Coming in with those vlog skills. What's up? I always want to be in a vlog.
Yeah. I don't have that much people I watch.
I know you. But I started like
That's fine.
I started like 3 weeks ago.
Really? That's not bad.
I know, right? If I be more consistent, I feel like I'll get more people. Y'all probably like, I'm counting it. My break is only 30 minutes. I've been on here for 12 minutes. I got like 10 minutes left. This shit hitting. It's so good. Y'all probably like, why haven't I drunk this whole time? I got some fruit punch Powerade. It's holding up my phone, so. Alright guys, so that concludes my mukbang. I'm about to get ready to go back to work. I saved half of the food for my son, and I'm gonna save him this cookie. I shouldn't even be eating this cookie. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys later on my way home.
Hey guys, so I just got out of work. Today was a good day. Oh, my back is just killing me, and I gotta do it all over again tomorrow. My back is killing me. Like, this shit is crazy. I miss my babies. That's the only bad thing about working, is being away from my kids. Home with my babies. Back home with my love.
Oh my god. You put
I told you to put it on the charger.
No, I'm trying.
It's gonna die.
No, I'm trying this game. The
This
game.
boy does this all the time. Every time the thing is dying, he never puts it on the charger. Then when it dies, he starts crying. Aaliyah, I missed you all day.
You was gone.
Aaliyah, I miss you all day.